Hello everybody and welcome back to Budgies for Life, and today I'm going to be making a video on bathing your budgies, and today they're going to be 3 methods of bathing your budgies. So let's get started. The first method is basically to turn on the water and then get your budgie on your hand like that, and then it'll just soak its head underwater. But my budgies are not that tamed for me to do so. The second method would be to get a bowl like this, and then put spinach at the bottom of it, and then fill it up with water. And then your budgies would actually just bathe in this. You put it at the bottom of the cage, and it has spinach in it, which I don't have at the moment. And then they just bathe at the bottom of the cage, and it's very enjoyable. You'll actually see a video in the summer that I'm actually going to be doing that. And the third and final one, which I'm actually going to be bathing my budgies right now, is for me to actually screw this off. But this is not clean water, I just picked it up. But usually I garden with this. It doesn't have any pesticides or anything like that in. But it's just water. It's not like gardening or anything like that. Never do that. But I'm just gonna unscrew this and I'm gonna keep going with the video. Okay, now that it's actually unscrewed, just gonna pour out all this other water. That's probably not good. Probably I want just fresh water. I don't know why, but I just like doing that. And then let's just put it right under the tap. And then you fill it up with probably like, not with cold water, with hot water actually, like hot water, because you always want your budgies to actually, when it hits them, it's not bad water or too cold. Since it's hot, it's just gonna be warm when it hits them, like in the Australian Everglades. Okay, I'm just gonna wait until this. Now that it's filled up how I want it, I'm gonna set this on the table. This in, screw this there, and then you go over to your budgies, and this is how you know that they like it, is that they're actually like opening up their wings. They're opening up their wing and enjoying it. And I'm gonna move it back because I don't want to hurt them. Let's actually test it, and that's what you always want to do. It's just like, see if it's gonna miss them or hit them really hard, because I don't want to hit them so hard. So I'm just gonna hit that too hard. It's not even working now. Okay. When I get this all figured out, I'm gonna come back. So yeah, when you get it like this, misting the birds, not like killing them or anything like that, you could come over, you could sit down on your chair or something like that, and an indication, like I've said before, if they like it, if they're actually opening up their wings and they're excited and they're like all that. But if they run away from it, then you know that it's not good. Like this. Lemon ran away, but Aries stayed. See? Aries is just staying. It's just misting him. That means Aries likes it. You want more? If he sees you run away. So now that's good, and it's just about 9 misses, and then you see your budgie is probably like grooming itself and all happy because it's clean. And that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed, a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.